Kajala Megalaya Hadu Kashpobaji and Step Jong Katway Unaila Aja Arpo, Gladan Arpoing would Kibio Tamayo COVID-19, Barkatwing would Kiblakot no. Office Jong DHS have a pente bakila Pathakubor, Klayatu Banakini Arpoing would Kibio Tamai, Henry would Kidena East Castles District, Hakaba Wayudenaka Armed Force, Armwood Kisi RPF, but lying would Nakuru Pajba. Henry would Nariboy District, Iwayna West Giant Hills District, Hinyong would na West Garo Hills District, but Iway in the Southwest Garo Hills District. The Kajingo Thamai Kiniki Arpoingur, Kajala Megalaya had open me Yakanika Kubor, Kadon Shiajar, Shispa Life Henry Taliki positive case, Henry Spa Arpoi Taliki active case, Sunspa Handai Taliki recovered case, but Henry would give Laklat no. Nakinig Henry Spa Arpoi Taliki active case, Kais Kasis District Kadon South Spa Arpa Southerly, Hagaba Prapino would Kidikishipai BSF. Aspa Ripu Prangot Kiru Paiba, Bandrip Kandangot Naka Armed Force. West Castles District and Santli active case. Riboy District Daipaway, West Giantia Hills Kanrio, East Giantia Hills Henrio, West Garo Hills Nyopuar, Southwest Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, Barka North Garo Hills Kidan Mar Artali, Barka Southwest Khasi Hills Kadan Kawai active case.